All right, a chemical change, on the other hand, this is going to kind of be the opposite. This is where the chemical makeup of a substance is changed. So this means you're going to end up with a different substance than what you started with. So you're going to start with something and it's going to go through a reaction and it's going to turn into something else. So it's not going to be able to go back to what it once was. And this one's a little bit more confusing, so we're going to take some more time. This is where you're going to get really cool experiments though. There are 5 indicators that you guys should know that's going to show a chemical change. So if these things happen, it's for sure going to be a chemical change. So if the temperature changes, so if it gets hot or cold, that's going to be a chemical change. That's going to be like burning. Because I know you guys think like, okay, if I put my water into the fridge or the freezer, that's a temperature change. That's not what we're talking about. We're talking about like heat is being produced, like this reaction together, and like now there's fire and now there's heat that's being produced from it, not putting it into a cold or warm place. Color change. So I'll show you guys some experiments where things change color. Odor. So sometimes there'll be a smell that you guys might notice from a reaction. That would be an example. A formation of a solid, and we'll talk a little bit more of what a precipitate is, but this would be where the reaction, it happens and then they're left with like a solid little chunk. And the formation of bubbles or gas. So if we see some type of gas, and that also kind of goes with the odor, that is going to be a chemical change.